In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first invoice Zoho books. We'll walk through the exact clicks and fields you need so your first invoice looks professional and reaches your customer without hassle. From your Zoho Books dashboard, open the main menu and click Sales. This area groups everything you do to get paid. Next, choose Invoices. Here you'll see any existing invoices and filters, but for now, we're creating a new one. Click New. This opens a clean invoice form where you'll add the customer, date, line items, and the messages that appear on the invoice. Start by selecting your customer. If the contact already exists, pick it from the list. If not, add a new customer on the spot with their basic details so the invoice has a billing name and email. Getting this right ensures the invoice is delivered to the correct inbox. Enter the invoice date. This is the official date on the document, and it can affect when the invoice is due depending on your default payment terms. Choose the correct date to keep your books accurate. Now select the item you are billing for. Items in Zoho Books can be products or services you've set up ahead of time. When you choose one, the description, rate, and any default tax come in automatically. Adjust quantity or rate if needed, and add additional items the same way until the total looks right. Scroll to the customer notes field and type a short, friendly message. This appears on the invoice your customer sees, so you can clarify what the charges cover or say thank you for their business. In the terms and conditions box, add the policies that apply to this sale, such as payment timeframe, accepted methods, or late fee language. Keeping these consistent helps avoid confusion later. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. This generates the invoice and opens the email window with a PDF ready to go. Give the details one last review, make any light edits to the message if you want, and confirm the recipient address. Finally, click Send. Zoho Books will email the invoice to your customer and mark the document as sent so you can track it in your list. That's all it takes to create and send your first invoice in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and great job taking this essential step toward getting paid faster.